If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, I'm betting you've seen a ton of detox promises online and thought, wait, is this even safe for my baby? It's a really confusing world of advice out there. So today, we're going to cut right through all that noise and give you clear, safe ways to support your amazing body during this incredible time. You see it everywhere, right? Cleanses, detoxes, resets. And when you're a new or expectant mom, that advice can go from just confusing to, well, downright scary. The biggest worry is always about keeping your little one safe, and that is exactly what we're going to focus on. And this is the question at the heart of it all, isn't it? That deep down fear that something you do to try and feel better might accidentally harm your baby. Wow, that is a heavy weight to carry. So let's get you some clear, safe answers, like right now. So, let's just start with the good news, shall we? You can officially ignore all of those extreme detox trends. Seriously, the safest and honestly the most effective approach is gentle, it's nourishing, and it's all based on food. And here's the golden rule, and we're going to come back to this. Any change, big or small, has to be discussed with your doctor first, period. So, why all the caution? It's pretty simple, really. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, what goes into your body can potentially pass along to your baby. Now, this is not to scare you, it's to empower you. Knowing this helps us make the absolute safest choices, making your baby's wellness priority number one.
Okay, so before we jump into what you should do, let's just bust some of those common myths. It is time to separate the fads from the actual facts.
Okay, this right here, this changes the entire conversation. The biggest myth is that you need some special product or diet to detox. The reality is, your body is already an expert. Your liver and your kidneys are working for you 24/7. So our goal isn't to interfere with them, it's just to support the incredible work they're already doing.
And we have to be super clear about the risks. Extreme methods like juice fasts or those so-called detox teas, they aren't just unhelpful, they can be truly dangerous. They can cause your milk supply to plummet, and even worse, they can release stored toxins into your system way too quickly. This is exactly why a gentle, steady approach is the only safe way to go.
All right, so we know what to avoid. Now for the good part, what you can actually do. Let's look at some simple, safe, and really effective ways to support your body, and we'll break it down by your specific stage.
You can think of this table as your little cheat sheet. So during pregnancy, the focus is all on the fundamentals, hydration and fiber to help your liver do its job without any extra stress. Then when you're breastfeeding, things like fermented foods and gentle walks can make a huge difference for your gut health and your milk supply. And for both stages, sleep and whole foods are your superstars. I know. Easier said than done sometimes, but they are so powerful.
Feeling a little more confident? Awesome. To make this even easier to remember, let's just consolidate everything into a simple 4-step action plan you can use to guide all of your decisions.
Here it is. Step 1 is totally non-negotiable. You always talk to your doctor or lactation consultant before making any changes. Step 2 is about those daily habits. Hydrate, eat your fiber. Step 3 is about becoming an expert on you. Notice how you feel, how's your energy. And finally, step 4 is that golden rule. Focus on sustainable, gentle habits, not short-term, extreme strands on your body.
I just want to leave you with this thought for a moment, because it really is the core message of this whole explainer. True wellness, especially during this precious time, is all about consistency and being kind to your body. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
So what's your first small step? We know it starts with a conversation with your doctor. So just think about it. What's one gentle idea from today? Maybe it's drinking a bit more water or adding a handful of spinach to your smoothie that you can bring up at your next appointment. Because taking that one small, informed step, well, that's the most powerful thing you can do for yourself and for your baby.